Hey everybody, Kyle from Russ Darrow Madison Mazda here. What I have in front of me, you might recognize this as a plug-in electric hybrid CX-90. Now, there's a few misconceptions about these that I hear often. First one is that people aren't interested in plug-in hybrids because they don't want to install chargers in their homes. And the reality is, you don't need to. If you're looking back here with all the floor mats and everything, you have a charger right here. This just plugs into the outlet in your garage. You can charge the car overnight. No additional installation needed. It's super, super easy. The second misconception I hear pretty often is about the electric mileage. So a lot of people seem to think that this can only run on electricity. That is not the case. This only gets about 25 miles on electricity, and then it will switch to a gasoline engine. Underneath the hood is a 2.5 liter inline 4-cylinder engine that it will use to power the car in lieu of electricity once that charge runs out. So you can change it to modes while you're driving to use just gas and charge electric while you're driving and everything as well. So those are two main things that I hear. It's much easier than that. Don't overthink it. They're really, really great cars. We hope to see you soon. I'll get you driving one. Talk to you later.